G'day team, welcome back to another Dooms TCG rips. Ripping a couple of blisters with me Cuzzy, as he's moving out. 2 packs, hopefully get a hit. What one you want, left or right?
You want it the way above the phone. Yep.
Left or right?
Left.
Right, so I'm going to be ripping this one, see what we can get. One pack Magi. Right, here's code card. And apparently an energy. That works. Okay, roulette, hand edge, nose pass, hot dig and shovel, Jacinth, Meowstick, Drapion, Fleshling, Clefairy, and a Dugong. Well, that was shiz. 3 shinies to the collection. Good. Right, Cuzzy's back. Yeah, bro. Cool. Rip her open.
I'll get it open. I can't get it open, bro. Here we go. Good there?
Yep. Code card. One to the front. Yep, no, that's fine. Cool. So flip that whole pack over. Yep, like that. And start pulling. Address, Barnacle, Fletchinder, Clefairy, Eradicate, Jacinth, oh I'm seeing something in the back, Hippodon, Fleshhinder, Aromatis, and a Salazzle. Very nice. Not a bad pull, second one for the collection. Thumbs up for the like.